In the series of again physical property of aggregate, Dr. K. Mohan sir already explained to us about the physical property of the aggregate. Now I would like to request Dr. K. Mohan sir to tell us about the mechanical property of aggregate. Mechanical property of aggregate क्या होता है?
That is, first is aggregate crushing value. The aggregate crushing value gives a relative measure of resistance of an aggregate to crushing under gradually applied compressive load. The aggregate crushing strength value is a useful factor to know the behavior of aggregate when subjected to compressive loads. IS 383/1970 prescribes a 45% limit for the crushing value of aggregate for concrete for non-wearing surfaces and 30% for concrete for wearing surface such as runways, roads and pavements. Next is aggregate impact value. The aggregate impact value gives a relative measure of the resistance of an aggregate to sudden shock and impact. The impact value of an aggregate is sometimes used as an alternative to its crushing value. IS 383/1970 prescribes a 45% limit for the impact value of aggregate for concrete for non-wearing surfaces and 30% for concrete for wearing surfaces such as runways, roads and pavements. Then aggregate abrasion value. The abrasion value gives a relative measure of resistance of an aggregate to wear when it is rotated in a cylinder along with some abrasive charge. IS 383/1970 prescribes a 50% limit for the abrasion value of aggregate for concrete for non-wearing surfaces and 30% for concrete for wearing surfaces such as runways, roads and pavements.
Sir, can you please enlighten us about the effect of shape and texture of aggregates on concrete characteristics and maximum size of aggregates?
Sure, Mr. Singh. First, I will discuss effects of shape. Shape influences the properties of fresh concrete more than hardened concrete. Rounded aggregates are suitable to use in concrete because flaky and elongated particles reduce workability, increase water demand, and reduce strength. In case of angular particles, the bond between aggregate particles is higher due to interlocking, but due to higher surface area, angular particles increase water demand and therefore reduce workability. Now I will discuss effects of texture. Surface texture affects bond between aggregate and cement paste and also influences the water demand of concrete. A smooth texture improves workability, but bond between aggregate and cement paste is weak. Rough texture reduces workability, but bond between aggregate and cement paste is strong. Surface texture is not a very important property from compressive strength point of view, but aggregate having rough surface texture perform better under flexural and tensile stress. Now I will discuss about maximum size of aggregate. In general, larger the maximum size of aggregate, smaller is the cement requirement for a particular water cement ratio. According to IS 456/2000, the maximum nominal size of coarse aggregate should not be greater than the 1/4 the maximum for the minimum thickness of the member and should be restricted to 5 mm less than the minimum clear distance between the main bars or 5 mm less than the minimum cover to reinforcement distance and 5 mm less than the spacing between the cables, strands or sheathing in case of pre-stressed concrete. Within these limits, the nominal maximum size of coarse aggregate may be as large as possible.